Today in this video I am going to share how to get permanent straight hair at home. Permanent hair straightening using chemical products can be detrimental to hair health. Using natural methods to straighten hair may take longer days, but it will not damage your hair. For those who blessed with curly or wavy hair, we constantly wonder how to get silky straight hair. Coconut milk, aloe vera gel, lemon. In a bowl, mix half cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 lemon juice. Mix well. Refrigerate for 4 to 5 hours. Keep it in a freezer to get cream consistency. Coconut milk contains vitamin C, which is essential for healthy hair and hair growth. Lemon deeply cleanses the scalp and straightens the hair. Aloe vera gel controls frizz hair and keeps scalp healthy. Use this pack once in a week. Apply over the scalp. Separate the hair and apply.
Storybox Audio.
After 1 hour, wash your hair with water. Like, share, subscribe to Little Pot.